Class 10, Chapter 2, Polynomials. Polynomials. As we have studied in class 9, if p of x is written as ax plus b, q of x ax square plus bx plus c, r of x ax cube plus dx square plus cx plus d, and so on. We can write as, suppose that in p of x a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus dot dot plus and so on a n. So these arrangement is called polynomials. So we can say that in polynomial is an arrangement of variables with constant and written with the help of algebraic operations. So this is first type, ax plus b, x square plus bx, ax cube and so on ax. So here x is a variable, a is the coefficient of x, and a and b are constant. So here x square, x cube, x square, and so these systematic arrangement of variables with constant written in algebraic operations is called polynomials. So polynomials in one another polynomial, suppose that p of x is equal to a, so we can write it as p of x is equal to a, only a means x to the power 0. This is a into x to the power 0 means p of x is equal to a. So we can say that p of x is also written as a constant, where we can write a as a into x to the power 0. So by the definition of polynomial, here x is variable and the power of variable is 0. So now degree of polynomial, degree of polynomial is the highest power of variable. The highest power of variable is called the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of variable in polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial means degree of polynomial means the degree of this polynomial is 0, means x to the power 0 here the highest power of variable is 0. So degree of this polynomial is 0. Degree of this polynomial means the highest power of variable, means highest power of variable of this polynomial x. This is the 1. So degree of this polynomial is 1. Degree of this polynomial ax square plus bx means the highest power of variable is 2. So the degree of this polynomial is 2. Again, the degree of this polynomial is 3 because of the highest power of variable in this polynomial is 3. So as follows that the degree of this polynomial is x raised to the power n. Because of the highest power of variable in this polynomial is n. So degree of this polynomial is n. Again, now the name of polynomials means classification or names of polynomials. Names of polynomials means classification of polynomials. So according to degree, we call polynomials. As here degree of this polynomial is 0, it means this is also written as only a. So this polynomial is called constant polynomial. So this polynomial is called constant polynomial, and this polynomial is called a linear polynomial because of the power of highest power of variable is 1. So this is called the linear polynomial, and this polynomial is called the quadratic polynomial. This polynomial is called quadratic polynomial because of the highest power of variable is 2, and this is a quadratic, so it is called the quadratic polynomial, and this polynomial is called cubic polynomial because of the degree of this polynomial is 3, so it is called a cubic polynomial. Here in this polynomial the highest power of variable is n, so we call it a polynomial of degree n. We call it polynomial of degree n. Means polynomial of degree n is a polynomial in which the highest power of variable is n. So if we make a table in which this is serial number, this is polynomial, so degree of polynomial, and name of polynomial. So serial number 1, so we can write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 1 are same. So this is 1. Polynomial is p of x, and degree of polynomial is 0. 0 means z is 0. And name of polynomial is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. The second one is p of x, and the degree of this polynomial is 1. 1, and name of this polynomial is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. The next one is third, q of x, and the degree of this polynomial is 2, because of the highest power of variable is 2, so degree is 2, and the name of this polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And the next one is fourth, r of x, the degree of this polynomial is 3, and the name of this polynomial is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. And fifth one is p of x, the degree of this polynomial is n, because of the highest power of this polynomial is n, so this is polynomial of degree n. The name of this polynomial, we call it as a polynomial of degree n. So polynomial of degree n. And the last one is, which is same as first, both are same, so we can write this as this and like this, both are same. So this p of x, this is the degree is 0, there is no variable term, so the degree is 0, and the name of constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Here, very important term is polynomial is always written in the form of alphabets of capital letters, just like p of x, p, q, r, something, whatever, and the x is the variable in which the polynomial is written as. Suppose that this is a q of x, so ax square. Here the variable of this polynomial is x, and we can write in any English alphabets as p of y is equal to a y square plus 2y plus 3y and so on. Okay, so this is the basic information about polynomials. So we repeat it. The polynomial is a systematic arrangement of variables, constant, coefficients with algebraic operations, and the degree of polynomial, the highest power of variable is called the degree of polynomial. Suppose that here the degree is 0, it means this is called a constant polynomial. The degree is 1, degree is 2, degree 3, degree n, and the name is nomenclature of polynomials is name of polynomials. So this is constant because of we can write it as ax to the power 0 as a, only a. There is constant, so we can call it a constant polynomial. So first and the sixth part It's called the constant polynomial, and the second one is a linear polynomial because of the power of the highest power of variable is 1. So this is the linear polynomial, and the second one is the highest power of this variable is 2. So this is called the quadratic polynomial, and the highest power of this polynomial is 3. So we call it cubic polynomial, and the highest power of this polynomial is n. So we call it a polynomial of degree n. So this is the basic information about polynomials.